bumped into an old friend.
Hello,
Hi.
we met in Doha 1.5 years ago, and I'm really happy to find her here in front of my house. So it was really crazy. When she was coming from the mountain on her back, I said, I know this woman, I know this woman. And when she approached, it was Helen with her bike. So I'm really happy to find her in Tunisia, in my hometown, and I hope for her a very nice trip, and I hope she can discover all Tunisia.
What a lovely surprise. I've got a coffee and cheesecake. It's a much better breakfast than I was expecting. What an incredible surprise. 18 months ago. When he said we met in Doha, I was like, oh, there's no way I'm going to remember him. But fortunately, he was on his bike and we met at the port. So I do remember meeting and chatting with him. What an amazing coincidence. How lovely. The doorway itself has been blocked up, but they've painted it back in again. Despite what this sign says, I've just seen some other tourists being led around this way. The Romans were mining the rock here to build Carthage, and the rock was better quality at the bottom than the top, so we've been left with these artificial caves.
ماشي ما توصلش عشان نرد بالك والصغار هذوك كلهم مثالي كيش احسبهم لك منى توصل تحكي معاك ماشي وجايه بيان سور لا ماشي وجايه.
You can see some evidence here of the falling rocks that has caused the place to be officially closed. Have a lovely crack while I upload my vlog on the quite slow internet. But I have time today. Just gonna cycle 40 more Ks, hopefully camp on a beach, inshallah. Wait. Oi. 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 Tailwind! The weather is so much better up here in the north. It's in the low 30s and still very humid, but with the sea breeze it feels so much cooler and fresher. Assalamu alaikum. Yes.
From where to where?
Oh, mostly Europe and the Middle East.
How old are you?
46.
46.
Yeah.
14. In Tunisia, the woman of Tunisia in 46 years old is
Oh, maybe they're busy raising children. I don't have children, so I'm free to cycle. Must be nearly at the beach. Everyone's throwing their plastic bottles out the car. This is really sad. This is not stuff that's washed up. This has just been dumped here. I don't know what's preferable, a local wild beach that's got no municipal cleanup and is covered in rubbish, or a private beach with a load of development behind and fancy resorts and private sections. Anyway, nice and cool. You can have a bit of a rinse of the sweat salt, replace that with sea salt before I go and find my camp somewhere in that forest back there. That's Zembra Island again, I guess. Very happy with this campsite. I'm 2 or 3 tracks removed from where the bar was, preventing larger vehicles coming down here. I can't even be seen from the small access track here. Ideal.